So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to decrease audio speed here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, if I were to record some example audio, I'll just go ahead and record this and say slow speed, whatever as an example. So if I were to play it, slow speed. The speed is obviously normal. Now if you wanted to decrease this or make it slower, press on the audio right here, go to where it says speed, and then slide this bar to the left. So if I were to go ahead and slide this to 0.6 and play it for you guys, slow speed. The audio is now in slow motion, or it is overall decreased. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can decrease the audio speed here in a video on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.